everyone, it's Joanna. Thanks for clicking on the link. We're doing another declutter. You seem to like the declutter and I really need to do a declutter. This time it's going to be eye pencils. Let me just tell you that excuse me, sorry. Let me just tell you that I am partially sighted, colorblind, and I use lots of eye pencils because it's easier for me to control. Well, that's what I thought in the past. I've been using eyeshadow a bit more, so I'm starting to feel more comfortable using eyeshadow. So I have loads of eyeshadow sticks. I'm going to tell you which ones I'm going to keep. Some of them are going to go to my boyfriend's house so I can use them when I'm there. And some of them are going to get chucked. I'm going to show you my collection and then I'm going to tell you what's going to stay and why, what's going to stay here, what's going to go to my boyfriend's, what's going to go in the bin. So let's show first, prepare yourself. Get yourself some coffee. This is going to be quite a long video and yeah, let's see what I have and why. These are all my eyeshadow sticks. I'm going to tell you which ones are going to stay, as I said, and which ones are going to go. It's like a should I stay or should I go now? So hang on, let me just go through them a little bit and tell you which ones are definitely going to get chucked and why. First of all, I don't know if I cut that, so I repeated it. What is my process? I want to get rid of at least half. So only half of these will stay here. And then I'm going to tell you which ones are going to stay and which ones are going to go. So I've said that like 50 times. So let's begin with some of my to go for sure. Let's see what they are. Progress has been made. These are staying. These are getting chucked. And then these, I'm going to decide which ones are staying at my house and which ones are going to Greece or my boyfriend's. Now, I'm going to start by telling you which ones I'm chucking and why. So, this H&M, I'm taking off my glasses because I can't see well, so which is funny. So this H&M one is going because it's fallen apart. As you can see, it just falls out. I don't need this happening to me when I'm trying to put on my eyeshadow and my eyeshadow going everywhere. The same thing is going on with this Kiko one. It just falls out. I don't need that. So, and I've had them and they're very chunky, so they're hard to use. I find them hard to use now, so that's why these are going. I'm going to throw away my number 7 ones because I've had them for a long time. I did like them when I bought them, but they did dry out quite quickly. The one I used to use a lot was this one, which is a purpley grey one, and it is called, what is it called? It's called Gunmetal Grey. I really liked this. It's so dry now, I can't use it. This is what it, well, it looked like once upon a time, but yeah, I'm chucking these. I've had these for about 3 years, so not going to keep them because they're dry and they hurt, you know, when you're trying to draw on your eye. I really like the chubby sticks. The payoff is not that amazing. It's just a wash of color. So if you just want something simple, you should just try these. I'm getting rid of the pearly pink because it's not pearly anymore. It's gone dry. I've had this for 3-4 years probably. So this is going. And so is Ample Amber, which I really like. I'm going to repurchase. I use this quite a lot, especially during the summer when I'm just lazy. You just draw it on your eye. I like these chubby sticks, as I said. Simple, very easy to use, nice and soft. I've had this for a long time, and this one has finished. There's nothing left, so that's getting chucked. A new one is coming this way. I'm going to throw away these two e.l.f. Aqua colors or something like that. They're liquid eyeshadows. I think I'm going to keep one to take to my boyfriend, but the other one is staying, is going to go in the garbage because I've had it for a while. I don't really use them that often because I have other ones. I think I'm going to keep this one, which I'm saying is pink gold. I have to label everything because I'm colorblind, so this is a pinky gold. So I'm going to keep this, but this one's going to go. I'm also going to get rid of this Topshop pencil because it is, I can't sharpen it. I could if I wanted to, but it's very hard. Like when you, and I don't really like the color anymore. It's very hard when you're drawing This is what it looks like. If you don't mind, it's not a buttery texture, so that's why I'm getting rid of this one. And then, so this is an eyebrow stick from Burberry. It was called Eyebrow Contour. I had problems with this even when I bought it. It was really hard to use, to draw. This kept falling out, so yeah. Finally chucking it. It cost a fortune, but no worries. And this hard, I'm chucking this because it's a hard eyeshadow pencil, whatever they're called, waterline pencil. Too white, haven't used it in ages, it hurts, so I'm not going to keep this. And I got this from Greece. When I bought it originally, it was fine, but now it's dried up. It's a metallic shadow. And if you ever go to Greece and you see these, you should check them out. They're very chunky eyeshadow sticks. But this has been, it's dry, it's not very pigmented, so I'm not keeping it. And I'm getting rid of the collection eye crystals in, this is a dark gold, according to what I've written. I've never used it, I don't use it, I just have it there, so that's going away. And just so you know, I'm using the number 7 wipes. Even though I'm trying to avoid using wipes, these are really good. Now let me show you what I'm keeping and why. Okay, let's start with my high-end ones. So this is Lancome. It's called Ombre Hypnose Stylo. I've got 05. This is a very pretty eyeshadow stick. I'm going to swatch them on my hand so you can see what they look like. So this is the Lancome one. Beautiful, buttery. So that's what that looks like. I'm keeping this. I don't use it often because I forget about it, but I'm keeping that one. Then my other high-end one is my Bobbi Brown Violet Plum, which is this one here, very buttery as well. So that's the Bobbi Brown one. I like how they have a little bit of shimmer. The other buttery one that I'm keeping and I really like, and they have been discontinued, I'm not going to chuck it, but I think it's beautiful. You won't be able to find this, I guess, but sorry. It's the 197 eyeshadow from Chanel. Oh, I think I need to let this go. It's this one. I think I'm going to chuck it. Yeah, it's like pieces of the eyeshadow are on, like it's falling apart. So bye-bye. not keeping that, sorry. And finally, I have the Laura Mercier Copper Caviar Stick. I'll swatch that. Everybody talks about this. This is very, very buttery. I think this is the butteriest of them all. It's that one there. Really, really pretty. Really like it. I'm keeping it. I haven't noticed it creasing. Some people say that it does. I have not noticed it. Then again, I'm partially sighted, so I probably wouldn't notice it. So I'm not going to lie about that. No one has told me, oh my God, your makeup looks horrible. And I do have friends who would tell me if it creased. So yeah. So these are the high-end ones. I don't have lots of high-end ones because I think all the drugstore ones are fine. I have 2 that were a gift. I don't know what brand they are, but they are really nice. They're Spanish. And I'm going to keep them. So these were from my friend. I'm not going to talk about them, but they're really good eyeshadow pencils. They're falling apart a little bit, but I'm not going to chuck them. So do you even know what this brand is? I don't know what the brand is called. But anyway, my 2 chubby sticks. I'm keeping the chubby stick in Full of Fudge. This is a pretty... I hate it when they just pop out. So this Full of Fudge is really nice. Clinique. It has a bit of a shimmer. That's why I like it. It's this one here. And the other chubby stick that I'm keeping is the lilac one for spring. There you go. This one has gone a bit hard though. But that's the lilac one. There you go. Lilac. So... these are staying because I really like them. I thought I'm gonna... So my camera stopped when I was talking about the Pixie ones. I have the pink quartz and chocolate matte. Mocha Matte. I'm going to show you the pink quartz, which is this one here, nice and buttery, good pigmentation. And then the, what's it called? The matte cacao. I just completely changed it. This one here, quite dark. There you go. Keeping these two. Because I like it when they're soft and buttery because they don't hurt when you're drawing on your eye. I'm also going to keep this Top Shop one because it's really nice. It's called, I don't know what number it is, but it's this color here. I've written that it's like a grey green, quite dark. Really, really pretty though. You can just do a little bit of your eye with that. And then some of my favorites, I've done a full review of these ones, so I'm not going to talk much about them, but I really, really, really like the e.l.f. No Budge Shadow Sticks. I'll try to link the video down below because it's one of my most popular videos, but these are staying. If you haven't tried them, you should. The one I use the most is probably, which one is it called? The bronze one and the rose gold. I really like these two, so they're staying. I'm also keeping this because it was in a glossy box. I have not tried it. It's Eye Candy Bella Pierre. I've never heard of this brand, but I saw it in TK Maxx today, so heard of it again. Then I have these two Kiko Milano ones, and the number I'm keeping is the 07. Let's see if I'm keeping it because it looks a bit distraught. And nope, not keeping this one. This is what 07 looks. It was a nice color, but no, it's falling apart. So that's going. I've had these for like 2-3 years, so it's fine. I should be getting rid of them. And then the other one I said I'm going to keep is the 06. Let's see what this one looks like, if it still looks like anything. Yeah, this one's all right. This is the 06. So I'm going to keep this one. These are really nice eyeshadows. This is a purple one, light purple. That's what I've written on my little sticker. So keeping that one. I'm also keeping this one, which is a dark green, number 10. Let's see, is this one still working? Oh yes, very pigmented. That one there. So that is the this is the 10, dark green from Kiko. And also I have another Kiko one. I don't know what color. Oh, it's the 06. Don't I have two 06s? I think I have two 06s. Hang on, let me just check. I do. And this one's going to my boyfriend's house. And I bought these during the Christmas. They're really nice, the Profusion. So this is the Profusion one. Keeping it very buttery. So you see, they're all buttery and nice and soft. So that's why I'm keeping them. But these look similar. So one of these are going to go to... Oh, this one's a bit harder though. So this one's going to go to my boyfriend's house. And this one I'm keeping. So these are the eyeshadow sticks I'm going to keep. And I'm going to keep some here. And some I'm going to take with to my boyfriend's house. I'm just going to tell you which ones I use the most. So I use the chubby sticks quite a lot. I use the e.l.f. ones quite a lot. The Pixie quite a lot. And yeah, these are the ones that I use the most. The expensive one, the high-end ones, I use more on special occasions and stuff. But they've dried out. So some of them have dried out. So I think I should start using them a bit more. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. My next declutter is going to be brushes. And I'm also going to show you how I wash my brushes. So if you want to watch that, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. It would be great. I'm trying to grow. It would be great. Even though I know I've got flaws and I'm not the best YouTuber you've seen in your life. It would be great. Thanks for watching. Yassas. Bye.